In this video, we will simplify the complex fraction using the separate fractions method. First, we're going to create a single fraction separately in the numerator, and then create a single fraction separately in the denominator. I'm going to first factor the numerator out so that I can make a common denominator easier for the numerator. So the numerator is this part of the problem. What I need to do is I need to multiply the second fraction by x plus 3 so that they have a common denominator. So this is my numerator, multiplying the second fraction by x plus 3 over x plus 3. For the bottom, my common denominator is the product of x minus 3 and x plus 3. So I will multiply the left side by x plus 3 over x plus 3, and the right side by x subtract 3 over x subtract 3. Now we're going to get to work. So our fraction is going to look like this. In the numerator, we have the common denominator of x plus 3 times x subtract 3. And in the numerator, I have 4 from the first fraction plus, and then I got to distribute a positive 2 through x plus 3, so I get 2x plus 6. For my denominator, I'm going to reverse distribute the 1, a positive 1, by x plus 3, so that I end up with x plus 3 for my first part of the fraction. And again, this is over the coincidental common denominator of x plus 3 and x subtract 3. For my second term, I'm going to distribute a negative 1 through x subtract 3. So I end up with negative 1x plus 3. And now, before I apply the division rule of fractions, I'm going to simplify the numerators. So I'm going to look at this right here. I can combine the 4 and the 6. So I have 2x plus 10 over x plus 3 times x subtract 3. For the denominator, the x's zero out when I add them together, and the 3 plus 3 is 6. Now I'm going to apply the division rule. Two x plus 10 over my common denominator times the reciprocal of the denominator, x plus 3 times x subtract 3 over 6. I can reduce a bunch of stuff. The factors of x plus 3 reduce down to 1. The factors of x subtract 3 reduce down to 1. And initially, I have an answer of 2x plus 10 over 6. But remember, I can factor out a 2 out of the numerator and write that as 2 parentheses x plus 5 over 6, and then the 2 and the 6 reduce, so that my final answer is now x plus 5 over 3.